everyone. Welcome back to Be Creative Studio. Today we're transforming an orange Dollar Tree foam pumpkin into a super cute country-style pumpkin. This neutral decor is budget-friendly and easy to make, so let's get started. I first remove the green styrofoam stem held by a toothpick. Then, with a sponge pouncer, I apply 2 coats of white chalk paint to cover this orange foam pumpkin. To better apply paint to the ridges, I use a paintbrush. Now that the pumpkin has dried, we're ready to go on to the next steps. I'll be using one of these wood stems from the Dollar Tree for my pumpkin stem. I am going to cover the pumpkin with a scrap piece of fleece baby blanket. I first mark where the wood stem is going to be with a pencil. Using my scissors, I poke a hole that's slightly smaller than my stem. I will be stuffing the excess fabric into the opening. Using Beacon fabric tack, I glue down the fabric as I make pleats. This fleece baby blanket is perfect for this project because it's stretchy and has plenty of give. I repeat the process of folding pleats, gluing it down, stuff excess fabric down the hole I made, and cut away any extras. Do this until the pumpkin is completely wrapped. Our pumpkin is all wrapped. It's time to decorate. I use some Dollar Tree lace to emphasize the pumpkin ridges. Then I add some Dollar Tree raffia, then the stem, I add a cream color berry pick I had on hand. Then a leaf with some cotton. Maybe the pumpkin could use a pine cone. I think a cute bow with gray ribbon might be nice. Finally, I write "Hi Pumpkin" on a Dollar Tree chalkboard tag to complete the look. Well, there you have it, a super cute farmhouse pumpkin to add to your fall decor. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day and see you next time.